Today we are going to do something very healthy, and the focus of this recipe will be on the healthy food during lockdown. So let's start today with one very simple recipe which is called apple pancake. So for the recipe we need around 200 grams of atta, and then around 75 grams of sugar, which is like around 7 teaspoons, around 200 ml of milk, and one whole egg whipped nicely, and then we are using some grated fresh apples which are soaked in water, around 50 grams of butter, and few drops of vanilla essence, and this will require a nice whisk so that our batter is ready. Everything is mixed together, nicely fermented, airy. Simple, required 1 pan, induction. No cooking medium required because we have butter inside the batter of pancake. So, right, the pan. Remember, the pan need to be a medium heated pan, and once you start getting bubbles in the pancakes, this is the time when we need to flip the pancake. So our pancake is almost ready. You can see a brown color at the base, and this is what I get as an apple syrup. So just some apple syrup on the top. And this is good to go. We have got some apple compote, some spices like bay leaf, star anise, a spoonful of apple compote, and some toasted walnuts.